Hi guys. Today guys I'm going to discuss very important topic. Basically guys, how to make sound impressive while you speaking English. Today I'm gonna discuss everything about this. If you are new on this channel, I do suggest you should have subscribed right now. If you do that, then you can be able to aware when I upload the video on this channel. Welcome to Souvik Datta exclusive. This is Souvik Datta. Let's get started, guys. Uh, this is very important topic. How to make sound impressive while speaking English. Basically, guys, I don't know actually you are doing working on this or not, but I do suggest some tips so that you can be able to improve your sound. It's like a impressive so that the audience engaged on your speaking. So how to do that? Basically guys, I lot of time observe in my surroundings, you can say, uh, when i when I usually walk on the road, or when I go to any market in my area. So I usually used to observe persons. It's kind of my hobby, you can say. And yes, absolutely, it could be in practical or it could be in virtual. That's mean it could be on the YouTube channel or any movie, any Netflix series, any Amazon series, or it could be in practical way while I when I go to market. Okay. And when I go to when I walk on a road, or I go to gym or anything else. So what I observe, basically I observe a lot of time, there are several persons, especially in India, when they start to speak in English to anyone, at that point of time basically they try to imitate accent. So basically they try to imitate accent so that it could be attractive. But the thing is that it's not attractive. While you speak in natural way, at that point of time it is very attractive. It will be very attractive. Okay, I don't know why the pupil try to imitate the accent of others. I don't know, but it's quite happen, especially in India. Okay, and while they say anything else in English, uh, actually at that point of time it's kind of singing tone. Sorry for that. It's kind of singing tone. Okay, and it's actually I in practical I don't like that. Okay, uh, because I know myself, I know my accent, and I know my pronunciation. So that's why I while when I do speak, at that point of time I do speak in natural way, just like that. I think you can observe. So I do suggest you, if you do speak in natural way, after that it could be attractive to others. So that's why I do suggest you do speak always in natural way, no matter what other people tell you, what other people criticize you on your accent. No matter what it is, you always choose your accent on yourself. You don't have imitate accent from others. Whatever you have retained your accent, you do speak that in that way. If you do in natural way, then it could be much better than before. Okay, it could be much attractive. Trust me, guys. So first point would be, when you speaking in English, you have to choose in natural way rather than in imitate way. Okay, so that is the thing. I do suggest you never ever copy accent from others. The next point would be, guys, basically you do speak less. Whatever you do speak in a short way, in an effective manner, you do speak. Otherwise it could be messy. So that's why always you do speak less and it could be effective. And the guys, last point, if you are not doing better on any topic, then at the beginning point of time you should have addressed. Otherwise it could be bad. So that's why you should have always addressed if you are not doing well on this particular thing. So it is good for you. So if you do follow this rule, then somehow the sound of your speaking style would be much better. Okay, trust me, guys, if you do follow the rules whatever I discussed, then it could be much better, and in that way your sound would be impressive while you speaking English. So guys, if you really like this session, do share it, do subscribe it. With this I will wrap up. I will be back soon with another new video. Goodbye, guys.